So, the very last day, actually we're flying this afternoon, but we're going to go and have a last feast at our favourite restaurant in Tirana, and we thought we'd take you along. I like the colour of these houses, quite colourful along this little section. So Michelle and I are walking into the city. It's about a 30-minute walk from our apartment. It's Tower Bridge there, Michelle.
Yeah, posh part of town.
It's a lively bit of town. We've stayed in this area as well, haven't we? Our second apartment in Tirana was just not far from here. Okay, these are particularly charges for the taxis.
How are you?
Hello, man.
Great.
Good, good. It's a Czech taxi. I don't think these can be used by just general cars for charging, only for taxis. Interesting. It's one of those little Piaggio trucks that I always like the look of. If I keep stopping to film things, we'll never get there. We've only got about 3 hours, and then we've got to be heading off to the airport. So again, this is the power charging stations, and I suspect this is only for the Lux taxis. Have a little look. Yep, Lux taxis only. So the taxis obviously have their own charging bays. It's quite a walk, isn't it, Michelle? We'll build up our appetite. We've never walked from this area before, and it's taken us quite a long time, but it's worth it. It's interesting, these bendy buses, aren't they? Did you guess where we were heading to? So here we are, back at Tujani's. Yeah, this is Vani. Can you just say hello? I want to say, because last time I didn't know Vani was a chef. You're a chef, right, Vani? Yeah, that's why the food here is so good. So you can look at the prices here and share those. I'll share those with you. You can check them out. Now, this is the one I want to have at Tavë Dheu. This is a terracotta baked beef and ricotta. Let me have a chat with Vani and see what's good to order. Looking forward to this, Michelle.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
And what do you recommend?
Salad.
Salad, yeah. Okay, cool.
Okay. Cotoletta.
Cotoletta, yeah, okay.
Giù.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. I like when you come to these places, and I'd suggest you do it as well, just have a talk with the staff here and get them to recommend dishes. They know what the special of the day is. I always just leave it to them to decide. Place is looking beautiful today. So Vani's bought me a bit of Raki, local Raki. Oh, it's good, smooth Raki. It was very good. Oh, Vani. Oh, beautiful. Look at the salad. Look at that.
Pumpkin soup.
And the pumpkin soup. So this is the soup of the day, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, man, we are going to have a feast again today, Michelle. Tujani never lets me down. Let's try this. Oh, wow. Pumpkin soup. A little bit of olive oil on the top. Oh, that is delicious. That's a hearty, rich soup. Michelle's you love your soups, don't you, sweetheart? You're going to enjoy this. We could have had one each. Now, I'm not sure if this is a lemon or it's got quite an orange tinge to it. So let's just put some of that. Wow, that is full of juice. Oh no, it's definitely a lemon. Oh, that's a great combination. And we got this beautiful salad here. Beetroot. Not my favourite, the beetroot, but I found the beetroot here is quite palatable for me anyway. I'm not a big fan of that earthy taste of beetroot, but I'm going to try it anyway. Even the bread they serve here is so good. Oh, is this Tavë Dheu? Look, the Tavë Dheu is here. So this is beef and it's sizzling with it's not a ricotta cheese. Well, it is a ricotta cheese, but the name is not ricotta here in Albania. Will you look at that? I think this is officially my favourite dish in Albania, Michelle. Now, I've seen this served with, it's often served as a liver or, you know, an offal-based dish. Here they serve it with beautiful, succulent, tender, melt-in-your-mouth beef. That's delicious. That is so, so good. Now I know Vani is a chef also. It kind of explains to me why the family that run this place makes such good quality food. Wow, that's hot. Oh, just burnt my lip. So this is this a liver dish? I think it possibly is. Wow, look at that. Wow, that is so flavoursome. I need to check out what this is. I need to check out on the menu what this is. Tender, melts in your mouth. Absolutely delicious. It's been coated with some egg. It's not liver. So a little salad, little beetroot, a little piece of the duo. We're not sure what this is. I've got to have a little look, but this is ever so tender. And of course the tavë is gorgeous. Melt in your mouth. Beef dish. Will you look at that? Here you go, sweetheart. We're not going to make a dent in this food today.
Time.
We've got time. We're gonna go nice and slow. We can be here a couple of hours. Nice and slow. A little bit of Raki. Oh, good food. That soup is delicious, isn't it? Okay, I'll go with a big piece. Why not?
We've got 2 each.
In for a penny, in for a pound. A little bit of bread. Try that bread with that soup, Michelle. This bread is absolutely gorgeous. I love to actually dip this in this sauce, soak up all those beautiful juices. I need to work out how they make this. What would you say this is then? I think it could be tongue. Okay, we worked it out. This is beef tongue. Don't be off put by it. The taste is delicious. It's so well cooked. It's so tender. So beef tongue, melt in your mouth. Absolutely delicious. I struggle with beetroot, but this is so fresh. Oh, it's magnetic. You sit there. We found a place to put the camera, you wouldn't believe it. The beef tongue, roast beef tongue, so good. Let me get a little photo, you can see where the stand is. My mum will be pleased I'm eating my beetroot. I'm eating my beetroot, Mum. This is so good. This I could eat till the cows come home. And also, this is where you dip your bread. Get all those lovely juices. I think Vani said they've got a dessert today as well. Maybe it's because we're a little earlier today. He's got the desserts. I don't know where to go for flavour. The soup is really nice as well, Michelle. Unbeaten.
All right, I'm still going.
Michelle's still going. It's because that soup is so nice. That's a pumpkin soup, I think, right? But you know, we don't normally have a big lunch, right? We sort of have our evening meals a little bit bigger, so this is sort of like really. I just wanted to come back and experience the food again. I'm really pleased we did. But it's a big. I'm going to have a coffee. We're going to have some dessert.
Share a dessert.
We'll share a dessert, yeah. Oh, that's the Raki gone. It's so good, man. It's beautiful. This is good. This magnet, look. Vani is so good. Vani knows I'm beaten. He knows I'm beaten. But we're still going to have a little dessert and maybe coffee or so.
Desserts of Sheqerpare.
Dessert is Sheqerpare. I don't know what Sheqerpare is. Wow. Sheqerpare. And can I have a coffee also, a macchiato? Michelle's going to do the taster this time.
Am I? Oh, wow.
It's good? What flavours are you getting before I even get in there?
Like a semolina, sort of that texture.
Okay. Is it sweet like baklava sweet?
Not as sweet as baklava.
No?
But it's in a syrup. That's nice.
Let me try. So it looks quite dry and plain, but you're getting good flavours from it, yeah? Everything here has good flavours. What am I talking about? Okay, yeah, like a... Oh, that's delicious.
Isn't it good?
That looks so simple, doesn't it? Am I getting coconut?
Maybe.
Or almond, maybe? Yeah, almond. Yeah, like a macaroon. Come and have a look here. This with
Not over sweet, is it?
No, it's not over sweet. And it's super soft, melt in your mouth, almost like a shortbread. Exactly what I was thinking, Michelle. We're both giving this a 10 out of 10. You know I got a sweet tooth. Sorry, the camera's around there. There it is. Ah, my macchiato. Elementary. What's this? Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Dessert and coffee. Frio. Vani.
Oh, thank you, man. Okay, dessert and coffee is our treat. Treat from Vani.
See, look at the syrup on that.
How is it I was so full and I'm still making room for dessert and coffee? Vani's boy he's working. You've got a video for me, secret video. The last time the girls were a little bit shy about us taking video, but we've got some video now. Good work.
My name is Anait. Anait.
Anait?
Yes.
My name is Steve. Nice to meet you.
You're doing a good job.
Well, it's lovely to meet the young lad. He's learning the ropes. I think he'd be passionate about food like his dad is. If you're here in Tirana, come down here. Just get them to order for you. Honestly, trust them. I've got to say that Tavë Dheu,
Yeah.
I've probably got the name. I keep getting the name wrong. It's quite difficult for me to pronounce. My favourite, the beef tongue, delicious. The salads are always great here.
The soup is really nice.
The soup was really good. Now, we haven't had a massive spread. Some people said to me, that's not a banquet. Midday, on the day of travelling, that is a banquet for Michelle and I.
And slowly eating my dessert. Brilliant.
With a big dessert afterwards. Great coffee, great company, great restaurant, worth the walk. We've got a long walk back, so we can walk off some of that,
Really too.
some of those calories. Love to all get yourselves to Tujani. We'll see you. We're gonna hang up here?
Yes, I think so.
I think so.
Then we haven't got to think about it, have we?
Yeah, and we can just turn off and just relax and enjoy ourselves. I hope you've enjoyed this last day and our last big feast in Albania. Love you all. Take care. We'll see you on the road. Be good.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Good choice today. Hello, guys. Hey, Mikey. Some of you might notice I actually had another haircut with Mike. Also, day before yesterday. So it's nice to be back in the neighbourhood where I know everybody. Feels good. Welcome to Albania.